Do you like skateboarding? Would you like to be way ahead of your friends? Then you should get a hoverboard. Hoverboards are the latest in personal transport, and they are fully electronic, with built-in speakers for listening to your favorite tunes, and even lights for riding at night. The batteries can last long enough to take you up to 8 kilometers on a single charge. On some models, you can travel at a speed of 21 kilometers an hour. That's fast enough when you haven't got anything to hold on to. So, if you're not too shy to try something new, you should definitely give the hoverboard a go. Do you think the latest smartphones and tablets are too cool for words? Then you should check out the wearable touchscreen bracelets. These bracelets work like a mini tablet, but on your skin. You can do all the things you do with a tablet or a smartphone, such as send emails, chat with your friends, or connect to social media. The only difference is that your arm is the touchscreen, which appears at the flick of your wrist. You need to pair the bracelet with a smartphone for it to work, but that's not too much to ask for something so futuristic, is it? And if that's not enough, wearable touchscreen bracelets come in many different colors too. You can wear a different color every day of the week.